Hi Sunshines, welcome back to our channel MADCURLS. I'm Taylor Ann.
And I'm Loriann.
And we are...
Oh my goodness, my voice.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah, she's starting again. She kind of lost her voice. Her voice is going in and out, but I'm sure she'll be doing some talking. She's just going to sound really wheezy.
I have more isms.
You do. I told you. I'm hiring on this channel. Okay, we are doing this video a little bit differently today. This was kind of spontaneous. If you've seen from the title, we are going to be doing the Shea Moisture, the new red palm oil and cocoa butter line. And so with lines like this, when they're like kind of controversial, people have different results, different opinions. Some people love it, some people hate it. We want to test it a couple times before we do it. So today was our testing day. That's why you see us no makeup, no backdrop, no matching stuff right now. This was just a testing day for us. So this is our day one with this product.
Yes.
We did 2 different things, and we are here to tell you what we did and give you our opinions.
We wanted to start that idea that we wanted to, that we were talking about in the comments, or we talked about in our last video or one of those videos, that you do one and I do one, and where our texture is similar enough. So today we just kind of decided to do that because most of you guys said that our textures were similar enough and it was a cool idea, and let's do that. So today with this line, I did the leave-in after I washed my hair with the M.A.D. Nourishing Oil Shampoo. So I put in the leave-in. They said you could rinse it out or leave it in, and so I literally just washed my hair with the M.A.D. shampoo, put this in, didn't rinse it out, and re-put it back in. Can't afford all that. So we just put this in. I left it in, and then I went in today with the Curl Stretch Pudding because I had the idea of the Cream of Nature idea with all that thick cream. I figured it would bring kind of like the hair down in the length, and you did. I
did the pudding, and I went in with the styling jelly.
Because they say to do that, right?
Yeah, so with the leave-in, they say best used with the curl pudding, but on the curl pudding, it says best used with the gel. So, so we both decided to do two different things.
I did the leave-in and the curl pudding.
And I did the pudding and the gel. So one thing that they stress about this line is that it's for shrinkage prone hair. So on all these packages, it claims to elongate your hair. So that's what we were looking for, especially you, because you were saying that that's what you look for.
And we're trying to decide, did it or did it not? We know our hair feels very heavy.
Yes.
With this, what is in here? This shea of this
there's
cocoa
oil,
butter.
There's red palm oil and there's cocoa butter. I feel all the butter. I feel it.
So thick.
But it's so soft. We were saying, first impression, that if you have finer hair than us, don't even think about it. It's gonna, because even for me, I'm like, do we get the elongation from how heavy this product is? Because it's weighing our hair down. Because in my opinion, my curls are defined. I was like, it did the opposite.
Yes. They're very shiny, very defined.
My curls are very defined. I see them longer here.
Weird. If you look at our hair really closely, you see definition, but you also see a halo of frizz. Right? It's an odd thing. It's now I see why people in the comments were like, stay away. Okay, it's odd. You see softness. Okay, I mean,
my hair. That's one thing. Super soft. You
see the definition. Yeah. But then now, you guys might be ruining my hair for me because I'm trying to rush and do all these products. I think Taylor said I'm heat training my hair.
Yeah, people blow dry their hair to stretch it, and I keep telling her to blow dry it on cool or blow dry it on warm, but she wants to do it high heat, high speed, and she has some pieces up here that if you notice in every video, well, at least our recent ones, stick up right here, and I'm saying this is heat training right here. It's too much on her head.
Might have to bitch
Agree with me or disagree with me. Let me know what you think.
Might have to bitch out. No way. So, okay, so I might be, have to lay off that. I can't wait for the summer to come again when we used to just put in products and go out for the day. All this rushing to get these videos out in the winter is just causing this. All right, but anyway.
These are stretched. See these pieces? My ends are very curly and defined, which I love, but this right here, these aren't defined. These are like straightened out more, which is what elongation does. It takes your curl and it doesn't give you curl definition. It straightens it out a little bit. So these pieces aren't as tight as they can be. These ends are, but it does bring it down a little bit.
But they don't look like this.
Still not enough.
They don't look like that.
Still not enough for me to say this product stretches your curls. Like it's for elongation. But
I got more stretch with the Talia Waheed the other day, I think. But I like this. This is cute.
Yeah, I
now
like this.
every wash and go is different. Now, if you saw our video yesterday, the Mael, that was a different look. This I think is cute. I like this. I
don't
really
see anything
do.
wrong with it. This is just our first impression. You're gonna go on into the video
With
and
some
see
makeup
with
and
some
some
makeup and
earrings.
some earrings, the backdrops and everything.
Right.
And we're gonna do it again,
Yeah.
just to see what happens. Second time around. But this is just our first impression, and in my opinion, I love this. Nothing wrong with this. I would do this again. This is cute. But if someone's going to the store to look for a product that's going to elongate their hair, I don't think this is it.
We don't believe this is the one.
I don't think this is
What do
it.
you guys think? Do you think that my hair is elongated, or is it just getting longer and that this is just its own natural length? Or do you think that this stretched it? I don't think it stretched it, because if you've been watching, we've been so good, guys, doing videos. If you've been watching our last videos that we've been putting out, it doesn't have this length other than its natural length. This is no longer than what it's been doing, right?
No, to me it's shorter. Compared to your last video, the Mael video, your hair was sticking out on the side over here. Like it was, your hair will seem longer. Your curls are very soft and very cute and very tight to your head.
I think, yeah,
so
but I like
it's
it.
defined. Yeah, I'm not saying it, like, because every time I say it, you're like, I like it. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying it doesn't elongate your hair.
All right.
I don't think it's stretching it out.
Do you think it elongated yours?
No.
It's very shiny.
Yeah, and I mean, I think my hair feels a little bit heavy because of all the shea butter. My hair doesn't react really well to shea butter.
Definitely.
This is about to be the video. We're 6 minutes in.
Right? Okay. Okay. It definitely feels heavy. I wish that you guys could see like the shine.
Yeah, it's shiny.
We
have highlights.
Yeah.
A highlight on our hand.
Yeah, can you see? I can see it. Can you see that shine? When you grab the hair, you can feel the residue.
So if you have thicker hair than us, go for it. Yeah, go for it.
I think maybe 3C. Do we have 3?
We have 3B, 3C. As you go down, it's more 3B. Tighter in the roots, 3C.
Yeah.
But if you have anything in the 4s, hey, you might want to holler at the line.
Yeah.
Because, you know, it won't be too much for your hair, but anything
depending
less.
on the look that they're going for. I think 3C could kind of, because I'm not mad at it. I think it's,
yeah,
I like
I'm
it.
not mad at it either, but my hair just feels, it's weighed down. It doesn't want to be big. It wants to keep going down like this because it's the shea. I keep saying shea butter. It's cocoa butter. Whatever that butter is, it's too much butter. So we're going to keep rolling, giving you all this first impression, and we're going to post it, and we are going to do a second video with all the good stuff.
My aesthetics.
With all the good stuff. But since we're here, talk about the packaging since we're here.
We're just like a laid back video?
Yeah.
So I can have my water and stuff?
Yeah, can I have some? I'm thirsty. Since we're here, talk about the packaging.
Okay, so love putting this in. When I put it in, I noticed just the cute color. Look at, like it matches the walls in the background. Okay. I quilt, guys. Those are my quilts. That's my work. All right. Anyway.
This is where we film. Typically the backdrop is here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where we film.
So I just thought this was so cute, the color. Let's see. It looks like cake mix.
It does look like cake mix, but it doesn't smell like it. It smells like cocoa butter a little bit. It's a nice scent. Yes. It's very light.
But it was very pleasant to use. It had slip. Nothing like that, but you would just kind of like just hang your hat on, like, oh my God, this is known for slip. It just was pleasant to put in. Period. Pleasant. Very, very pleasant, and it's thick and it's nice, and I love the color. Now
with the styling jelly, this is watery. This is very, very watery. So how I did it is like I took like 3. Well, I didn't really take 3. I kind of went like this with my hand and just tapped it in and rubbed it and rubbed. I did not section and put this in because I didn't want that like hardcore like gel feeling, and I felt like this would give me that. This does say this has flaxseed oil in it, which is cool. But yeah, I didn't want that hardcore gel feeling, so I put just very little bit of the jelly in. Okay. But yeah, very cute packaging, very light scent, because sometimes Shea Moisture can get carried away with their scents. This is very light and nice.
Very light, and it almost disappeared now. And okay, but you still feel that residue. It's just like that. We keep calling it shea butter, but it's not. But it feels, you know, when you have that hunk of shea butter and you
it feels like
grab
butter.
A piece and you try to melt it in your hand and rub it, it feels like this thick butter. You know, okay, so now the leave-in looks like this. The pump right here. Just squeeze down the pump.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready. Okay, so it's just a very light leave-in, not light, not like say the Jane Carter light or the Kinky Curly light. This has its own kind of
it's not like a thick cream like the pudding, but it's thicker than like a watery leave-in.
Yeah, it's not like the leave-in like the Cream of Nature leave-in, where thick and thick. It's just a nice leave-in, and it went through your hair. It had slip, but nothing that it will be known for. Oh, grab that! It's known for its slip.
Yeah,
it's just I'm curious to do it again. I'm curious to see.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna do it again. We just thought we were actually gonna insert this into that video, but then we're like, since we're here, give you guys something different.
Something different.
This is our first impressions of the red palm oil because people were like, don't even do it. Everybody hates it. We don't do the everybody hates it kind of thing. We gotta try it ourselves. And first impression, it's not what they says. It doesn't do what it says it's going to do as far as elongation, but it does something different, which we're not mad at.
Yes. We don't know what it does, but
we're not mad at it. Whatever it does.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see what day 2 is kind of gonna look like.
Yeah. Me too.
But it is kind of shea buttery ish. What do I keep saying? Shea butter, cocoa butter. It's just that butter. It's just the butter. I just feel the butter. But my curls are super, super soft.
Yes.
Okay, we're not gonna prolong the matter because we are gonna do a whole nother video on it. But thank you so much for watching this little impromptu video that we are gonna post.
Be sure to look for the follow-up video.
Yes. Oh, and something new that we have is our Amazon store, which we're really excited about. Where I guess Amazon now lets influencers put products, their favorite products, in one spot, and people can go and see our favorites and stuff like that, and pick up their favorites from our store. It's not stuff that we're selling, it's stuff on Amazon, but we take all our favorites and put it into one store. So we will link that down below so you can check out our Amazon store.
Talk about stuff most of the stuff we've been talking about is in the store, right?
Is in the store.
Definitely the water bottles are in the store.
I mean, some things like the Cream of Nature that we really loved, their Amazon's selling it for a package of 3 for $58, but we're not putting it in our store.
That's ridiculous.
When we know we can get it for $6 somewhere else, and we're not doing that.
Absolutely.
But if we see good deals, or whatever, we will add it to our store.
It's equivalent to what you can get in the store. The convenience of it is cool. Is it free shipping most of the time? It depends, kind of.
Yeah,
sort of.
it
I don't know.
depends.
But it's just the convenience. It's just like a place to just go and get the products. But we wouldn't put anything in the store that's higher than the store.
Yeah.
Other than that, you wouldn't have to pay for the shipping. And in the store, you'd have to pay for the tax. So probably just balance it out.
But I mean, if anything, you could just see what MADCURLS favorites are. Stuff we like. Our water bottles are in the store. I found them on Amazon. The Salon and the Stylist sprayers, those are there. So you can pick those up if you want to. But thank you for watching this. Yeah.
You may not even be here because you may not even recognize our horrible
backdrop.
Yeah, I know. In the thumbnail, I wonder what the thumbnail will look like. Okay.
You guys will see it when it's
If you
up.
found this and you're pretty cool.
But yeah, keep a lookout for the actual video. We will be doing it with all the pretty stuff.
Yeah.
All right. So if you've tried this line, have any thoughts on it, let us know in the comments. Chit chat with us if you want to hold off till our second one. If you want to comment on both. Who knows? Anything else you want to say?
Nope.
All right. MADCURLS is over and out. We will see you in our next video.
Okay.
Bye.